Hello, and I hope everybody had a great weekend. Don't mind that I look a little rough. I worked all week at 3 in the morning doing medical transportation. My first client was at 4. I had to get up between 2:30 and 3 in the morning all week. So I'm a little tired, but it I don't remember even if I said the date. It's Sunday. Well, Alexa, what's the date?
It's Sunday, August 27th.
August 27th. I guess always ask Alexa if you can't remember. I have a decent sized Temu haul, I guess. I have, I believe, 3.5 orders in one. And if you like anything that I show you, you could leave me a comment and I will get a link for you and a link to the item so you can order it yourself. Like I said, please don't mind me. I am very tired from this week. And my first order was, and again, this is a Temu, 3.5 Temu orders. I'll show you what I mean by half in just a minute. These are Nightmare Before Christmas nails, and they were $1.97. They're pretty cute. I can't wait to try them on. I can't wait for Halloween. Who else is excited about Halloween? And next, everybody knows I love cats. I have 6 cats, about to be 7. The stray cat that had the 5 kittens, we're going to keep one of them, a little orange one we named Mayor. All of our cats are named from the Nightmare Before Christmas cast, besides Sissy and Vegas. They kind of chose their names. Here is my size 4XL hoodie, and it was $6.44. It says, I do what I want. It has pockets on that side and a pocket on that side. And it looks to be about true to the size 4X. Oh, and you're going to love this. Look at the hood to it. It's got cat ears. The hood's got cat ears. Can't wait to wear it. And then the pants I ordered with this order were $7.28. And they are butterflies. And it's a stretchy jean looking material. It's a size 4XL and it looks about true to the size. It has butterflies on the side. And then at the bottom it has the little X's. And then the bottom is just cut off at the bottom. Plain pants. Again. And then the back. It looks like pockets, but it's a faux pocket. Fake pocket. Pretty cute, huh? Again, them 3 items the whole order came up to $16.89. And it was a pretty good items for the price. Pretty decent price. And next, like I said, I hope everybody had a great weekend. The next one has 7 items and my order came up to $51.30. The first 3 items, these 2 nails were together, were about $2 each. They came up to $3.99 for two of them. There is Nightmare Before Christmas nails. A little long for my taste, but I'm going to try them and see how they do. And they came with the Scream nails. for $3.99. And then for $2.48, I got more Nightmare Before Christmas nails. You can tell I really like Nightmare Before Christmas. And next on this order, I ordered a size 6L pants, and they sent 6XL pants. These pants were $11.89, and they sent me a size 8, which is way too big for me. So I put in for a exchange for a refund, and they refunded me for them and said I don't have to send them back. So I'm going to donate them to somebody that needs them. Like I said, they're yours. 8XL, they're way big for me. And they're kind of cute, though. I wish they would have fit. Just some black pants that are flare legged at the bottom. And those again were $11.89. And with that, I got a shirt for $10.48. I love this shirt. It's a size 5XL, and it fits pretty good. Different people make different sizes. Sorry about that. I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb in airplane mode, and I had a call. I am sorry about that. Anyways, the shirt is a 5XL, and it's true to size, and it is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. It's a pretty little shirt. The shoulders look like that. And that shirt again, $10.48. And next with this order, I ordered a pair of shoes on this order. And these shoes were $14.49. They're very soft and cozy feeling inside. I tried them on. They are, I believe, a size 8.5. Very comfy shoes for $14.49. Great material for the price. And next, a pair of shoes for $4.38. These are really cute. I believe these are size 8.5 also, and they fit really good. It's true to size. This is the back of them. Sorry about that. Again, these were $4.49. Here's the back of the shoes, the side of the shoes, and then the top. And your foot goes in there, and they stretch like that. Love these shoes. Absolutely love them. And the bottom of them look like that. Again, that order was 7 items, and it came up to $51.30. Great items for the price. And for the third order, I ordered a 5 items, and the total would have been about $20, but with my credits and such, I had to pay 42 cents. I don't have a picture right now of the cat sticker. I ordered a cat sticker for $1.48. It's a glow in the dark. It's for the light, the outlets or the light switch, and it's pretty cute. I will show at a later time. And I also ordered a cat food food and water dispenser, automatic dispenser for $5.98, which I will show at a later time. The cats are using it, and it's a really good material. And then I ordered my fiance. She loves Care Bears. A 2-piece set for $7.64. It's a size 4X and it's XL and it's true to size. It's a sports bra and short set. This is the bottoms. The bottoms. Very cute. Say sport on the top. And here is the sports bra. It is so cute and worth the price. Love it. Again, the Care Bear set was $7.64. And like I said, if you want a link to anything to order, just leave me a comment, let me know, and I'll get you the link. These nails are black and purple. They were $1.79. I cannot wait to wear these nails. And these were $1.97. Blue and butterflies. And my cat Oogie wants to say hi. Say hi, Oogie. Say hi to everybody. This is Oogie. She's our Maine Coon. She's about 11 months old. We found her in the backyard. The mom couldn't feed her anymore. Say hi, Oogie. And that, again, the order was about 5 items. The order was about $20, and I paid 42 cents for it with the credits. And what I meant by half an order was I got part of an order that they sent it separate because it was liquid. Is this perfume? I can't read it because it's Chinese, but it is a milk perfume, and it says it smells like caramel milk. It looks like milk, and it smells like milk. Actually, I don't recommend it, to be honest. It smells like milk, and I don't know if anybody wants to wear milk on their body and smell like milk. But it's a cute little bottle. It was about $4.48. If anybody does like the smell and wants the link, just let me know in the comments, and I will leave the link in the description or in the comments for everybody to anything. Well, that is my order for today. Like I said, I hope everybody is having a great weekend. Again, I want to thank Erin at Hey Everybody for mentioning my channel. I love watching her channel. I watch her channel, her new videos every time they come out. I love watching her. She is so funny, and she makes my day. Oh, also, if anybody needs some affordable glasses, I just got these glasses in from Zenni.com. Zenni.com. This is, they were $48, and they have the blue blue light blocker and anti-scratch and anti-fog and everything. Some of the glasses on there are as low for prescription glasses and sunglasses, and prescription sunglasses at $6.95. Again, these are very affordable glasses, and I actually really like them on Zenni.com. Alright, I'm going to end this video, and I hope everybody has a great weekend, has a great night, and has a great week this week. I will see you soon. I love you all, and God bless.